Hello everyone. Myself Sandhya Onkarahire, Assistant Professor in ENTC Department from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today's topic is source of finance. In our present day economy, finance is defined as the provision of money at the time when it is required. Every enterprises, whether big, medium, or small, needs a finance to carry on its operation and to achieve its targets. In fact, finance is so much important today that is, it is the lifeblood for the enterprise. Why do we need finance? Setting up the business, need to finance our day-to-day activities, expansion for the business, research into new products, special situations such as fall in sales, classification of source of finance. The various source of finance available to the business may be classified into three types. On the basis of period, it is classified into the second category on the basis of ownership. Third category on the basis of source generation. And further, it is subcategorized into the long-term period, short-term period under the basis of period, while owners and borrowed fund under the basis of ownership, and external and internal sources of finance on the basis of generation. Based on the period, the period basis is further categorized into three subdivisions. Long-term source of finance. These long-term fund is utilized for more than 5 years. The fund is arranged through preference and equity shares and debentures. It is accumulated from capital market. Medium-term source of finance. These are short-term funds that last more than 1 year but less than 5 years. The source includes borrowing from the public deposit, commercial banks, commercial papers, loans from financial institute, and lease of financing, etc. Short-term source of finance. These funds are just required for a year. Working capital loans from the commercial bank and the trade credit, etc. are the few examples of these sources. Based on the ownership, the source of finance are divided into two categories. Owner funds. This fund is financed by the company owners, also known as owner's capital. The capital is raised by issuing preference shares, retained earnings, equity shares, and etc. These are for long-term capital funds, which forms a base for owners to obtain their right to control the firm's management and operations. Borrowed funds. These are the funds accumulated with the help of borrowings or loans from a particular period of time. This source of fund is most common and popular among the business. For example, loans from the commercial banks and other financial institutes. Based on the generation, the source of finance is categorized into two divisions. Internal source. The owners generate the funds within the organization, for example, selling assets, retain earnings, etc. External source. The fund is arranged from the outside the business, for instance, issuance of equity shares to the public, debentures, and commercial bank loans, etc., are the examples. Thank you.